So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you latest important updates about Vita Inu coin, its price prediction, and the most important news about this meme coin is that can we see Binance Exchange listing this year or not? So video is going to be very special, very important. You have to just watch the complete video here. First of all, you can see Vita Inu coin has current price with 7 zeros here. Okay, 0.7 times $0.22 is current price, and current market cap ranking is 1178 number market cap here. Okay, and this is the low cap potential meme coin here because this meme coin has less than $20 million market cap. You can see just $19.7 million market cap only. Okay, and another best thing about this meme coin is that its total supply is all in circulation now, so there's no more token that will be added in circulation in future. So I think this is the positive news for thing for the Vita Inu coin, and its last 24-hour trading volume is also got 3.6 million dollars trading volume here. Coin is working on three blockchains here. You can see on Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and also on Polygon blockchain here. You can see first coin is 2 years old. Okay, this is not a newly launched meme coin just like Kukinu coin, Bread coin, or recently meme coins. Okay, but this is 2 years meme old meme coin. This meme coin is survived in a previous bear season in 2022. Okay, so now this meme coin can perform really amazing here. You can see we are nearly 600% up than its all time low, and still 68% down than its all time high. Okay, I will also show you my holdings here, but before that, here you can see these are the exchanges where this meme coin is listed on Bybit Exchange, MEXC, Bitget, Get.io, CoinX. Okay, so these are the exchanges where this meme coin is listed, and in future, definitely we can see it's listing on major exchanges. Maybe we can see soon it's listing on KuCoin Exchange, or maybe in future we can see it's Binance listing also, because this meme coin has its own blockchain also. Okay, and that was very amazing blockchain here. And friends, so you can see these are my holding for the Vita Inu coin. I buy this meme coin. I think also 2 years ago. Okay, I buy this meme coin for just $20, and now my $20 are converted into $48. I have 2.1 billion Vinu coin here. Okay, but I'm not going to sell this meme coin in just 2x profit. I'm expecting at least 50 to 100 to maybe 1000x profit from this meme coin. Okay, when this my $48 will be converted into $4000 or maybe $10,000, then I will sell my all Vinu coin here. But before that, before at least 100 to maybe 200x, I'm not going to sell my any Vinu coin, because still this meme coin is not listed on any major exchange. Okay, so definitely in future maybe we can see some major exchange listings also, and their community burn more and more Vinu token to increase its price here. My price prediction for Vinu coin in next 12 to 15 months is that we can see is 3 zeros removed from its current price here. And friends, you can see here coin has currently 7 zeros. So in next bull run, okay, maybe after 12 to 15 months, we can see at least to kill 3 zeros from its current price. Okay, 3 zeros means maybe we can expect 1000x profit from Vita Inu coin here, because it has just $20 million market cap. So from $20 million market cap, is this meme coin can be listed on major exchanges and can make a good hype in crypto market, then definitely this meme coin can achieve $2 billion market cap also. Okay, when this will achieve just $200 million market cap, is 200 10x. Okay, when this meme coin will achieve $2 billion market cap, then this meme coin will be the 100x meme coin here. Okay, what do you think? What is your price prediction for Vita Inu coin? You can must comment down below.